this project basically takes in an image from this camera, and it will identify objects such as this apple and display a price. So if I show the apple, then it will display one item seen, and the price I set for the apple was $1, so it shows $1. Basically how it works is the Raspberry Pi computer will take the image that it gets from this camera, and I have a machine learning model in this Raspberry Pi, so it will identify the item and display the results on the LCD display. And a couple of challenges I had with this project was my accuracy of the model and the Python code. So for the accuracy, it started out pretty low because I didn't have very much data. As you can see from this, I have 72 items here, which still isn't very many. And also the process for getting the data is pretty slow and tedious because I have to label each apple, as you can see here. And I also did the same with a few other objects such as the orange. And for my second challenge, the Python code had a lot of errors regarding coding libraries, which it was pretty difficult to find the coding libraries I needed to run certain functions. For example, to display to the LCD display. And they were also pretty difficult to find online for instructions on how to download them. And what I'm currently working on is a new model that will identify the type of element based off of this photoelectron spectroscopy graph. So it will count the number of electrons depending on the peak. Here is 2, and this peak represents 6 electrons, and it will output the type of element, which is, in this case, silicon. And overall, the biggest takeaway I had from this experience was definitely becoming a lot more familiar with machine learning models in general, such as the architecture for the machine learning model I used, which was a convolutional neural network that will identify using image detection. Thank you for listening.